Hey guys, Trey here with AmericanTrucks.com. Today we're taking a closer look at the Air Design cab winglet in satin black, designed specifically for the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. If you're looking for a subtle yet bold styling addition to set your truck apart, this cab winglet offers a perfect solution. The Air Design cab winglet enhances your aerodynamic profile and adds an aggressive look to your Silverado. The Silverado specific design integrates seamlessly with the factory lines, offering a clean, custom appearance. The satin black finish complements any paint color, giving your truck a sporty, modern aesthetic, but it's also paintable if you're looking for a color matched look. This winglet is also functional, providing minor aerodynamic benefits and a touch of that customized look. Made from high-grade ABS plastic, this winglet is lightweight yet highly durable. The UV-resistant satin black finish prevents fading over time, maintaining its premium look and ensuring it's going to complement your truck for years to come. This tough construction also protects your truck from minor scratches and debris while enhancing its style at the same time. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that lower $200 range. This makes it an affordable, stylish upgrade for those of you looking to stand out on the road. Installation is going to be super simple on this one, and it earns only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should take you 30 minutes or less of your time. Installation is made simple by the included 3M automotive grade adhesive, ensuring a secure attachment. Now you're just going to want to make sure that you clean and prep that surface really well for the best adhesion. Detailed instructions are included in the guide to help you through the process. Now let's see exactly how these go on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Here is the layout of all the tools needed to install the cab winglets for the Silverado. Isopropyl alcohol, a razor knife, a grease pencil, and then the VHB tape, which was provided and actually already installed on the winglets themselves. And they also provided this adhesive promoter that can be applied before we install the winglets to ensure that they stick to the cab real well. I'm going to begin by cleaning the area that we're going to put the winglet with alcohol. I use a microfiber cloth. It worked pretty well. And then we're just gonna outline exactly where the winglet is gonna go with our grease pencil. It fits on pretty good. And we're gonna apply the adhesion promoter just around the edges where the tape is going to go. Next, we're going to grab some masking tape. Pull back the corners of the protective red tape. This is where the razor knife comes in handy to get that protective red tape off the adhesive part. Go ahead and tape the red pieces on the outside of the winglet. Alright, and it's mentioning if the surface is too cold, you can use a heat gun to warm it up, but it's 60 degrees, 65 degrees in here, so that should be fine. I'm going to use the adhesion promoter one more time just because it took a little bit of time to tape that red pieces back, a little bit longer than I expected. There's plenty of adhesion promoter in this little sponge they give you for the other side. We're going to use a marking from the grease pencil to line this back up. And we can kind of just, hold it there firmly and peel the red right out. And that does it. Just continue to put some pressure on it for a good 10-15 seconds. And I think that looks pretty good. So we will repeat the process for the other side.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install the Air Design cab winglet in satin black for the 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.